Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are doing my winter 2020/2021 Vegancuts makeup box. This is a quarterly box, and I believe it retails for about $40. And I think you get somewhere between 5 and 6 products in every box. I know there's a minimum value. I don't know off the top of my head what exactly that is. But let's go ahead and crack open and see what we got in here. So I know what 2 of the products are already because prior to the box being sent out, a survey was sent out to the subscribers, giving them a chance to potentially choose which product color they had a preference for, which I personally love. I don't think I've ever had a box do that before, and I really liked it, especially because it was like a brow product and a highlight. And those things are very skin specific in my experience. So let's talk about the brow product here. So it is from Bella Pierre, and actually, where is my card? Okay, here's the card, by the way. This box supports Rice Rice is the name of the animal, at Peaceful Fields Sanctuary in Shenandoah Valley, Virginia. Super cute. So here is the product, and it's a little dusty, I think, just from the packaging, the filler paper, and it comes in this type of packaging. It says the color is ginger blonde, which I do believe is the one I selected. They did say in the little survey they sent out that, you know, you might get the one you choose, which I guess is fair, just depending on when you answer the survey and stuff. So it says this retails for $15. Brow powder is great for filling in brows uniformly for a softer framed look. Using an angled brush, apply the powder with a light hand for a natural effect, sweeping the brush in the direction of hair growth, starting with inner brows, moving to the end, brushing through your brows to blend. So I am curious what exactly this ginger blonde actually looks like. In the container, it looks a little bit dark. So let's see if I can get this open. This does seem to be a loose powder product. I'm having trouble peeling the sticker off of the holes. Okay. So let's get a little bit of that and swatch it. So just with my experience with my own brows, I feel like that's gonna be too dark. Why is it not focusing? There we go. But I am gonna give it a try before I give it to a friend who is more ginger than blonde, but maybe she'll be able to use the ginger blonde. We'll see. So, an interesting different product I've never tried a loose powder brow product, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to use it because this feels really dark to me compared to other brow products I use, but a cool idea. The other product I knew that was coming in the box is from Habitat, and this is the Bright Lights Nourishing Cream Highlighter. So that's kind of cool, considering in one of my other boxes for December I got a blush, which I actually really like. So let's open this up. I got the color Hollywood Babylon, which I believe is the one that I selected. So I would have gotten both the items I selected, which is pretty cool. And this is similar to the packaging of the other item I received. Glass jar, metallic lid, and here is the color of the highlighter. It is a sheer pearl. Let's swatch it. Oh, it's got like an iridescence to it, which is nice. Oh, this is subtle and intense at the same time. Okay, let me see if I can get in the light here and show you guys. I need it to focus right there, yeah. See, it's really pretty. And it's more of a natural. It reminds me a little bit of the one that came in the Medusa's makeup box, in that the shimmer does kind of have like a blueness to it, but it is not as intense as that one at all. So I'm really happy with that. I can't wait to give it a try, and yeah, I think I picked really well. And so just to read a little bit about the Habitat Cosmetics Bright Lights Organic Cream Highlighter, that retails for $28. A cream-based highlighter infused with skincare ingredients that enhance skin with soft focus illumination. Use on high points of the face where light naturally hits the face, i.e. cheekbones, brow bone, bridge of the nose, inner corners of the eye, cupid's bow, collarbone. Yeah, so I think that's going to be a fun one to try out. Moving into the rest of these products, let's go with this other product from Bella Pierre since we have already had one product from them. This is the HD Finishing Powder High Definition Translucent Powder. I am pumped to see this because I just finished a Tarte face powder, which you will see in my January empties, and so I have a sample of a KVD one. KVD? Yeah, that's what the brand's called now. Yeah, I have a sample of that, and then I have one from Milk Makeup, and so I am excited to have another translucent powder to try because I've never really done the loose powder thing, but I'm excited to try several of them and see how I like it. So let's read about that. This is a $35 value, a smooth finishing powder that mattifies and sets makeup in place, providing a silky shine-free finish. So very excited. I think we all know what a translucent setting powder looks like, so I'm not going to take a sticker off of these holes, but it does come with a little puff, which is kind of nice. Moving on, we have a product from Han, Health Active Natural, all natural multi-stick. Yeah, that's what it's called. Here's the packaging, brown with some like little swirls and dots. And does it have a color listed on here? Maybe it's on the product. Oh, Bordeaux Glow. I think that's the color. And so while I'm trying to open this, let's read about it. Han Skincare Cosmetics Multi-Stick in Bordeaux Glow. It's a $16 value, formulated with natural organic ingredients and without synthetic colorants. Lightly dab and warm product in the tube with fingertips. Apply onto the apples of cheeks, lips, and eyes. Don't put these things on your eyes. Like, I'm so tired of companies saying you could put these emollient products on your eyes. Don't do that. And blend for a warm, flush glow. Can also use with a brush. Okay, so here is the tube. Take the lid off, and okay, it looks very dark in the tube, but let's get it on the hand. Whoa. It's dark on the hand too, so that's how it swatches with no blending. Let's see how it blends. Okay, so blends out nicely. I'm not even gonna lie, with me, I would need the tiniest dab of that on the cheek and it would probably cover the whole cheek. I think it could be really pretty on the lips though, as a nice light flush. Very intense. I'm gonna have to try that out as well as all the rest of these and see if it's something that I can lighten up to work for my skin. If not, I can pass that on as well, but it is a really pretty color. I'm just nervous it might be too intense for someone who is glow in the dark, day glow pale like I am. So that is actually a really cool product though. And so it looks like those are the 4 base products that came in our box. And then product number 5 is the bonus gift, which says is over $20 value. So for me, that would be from Juice Beauty, which around these parts, we are not a big fan of Juice Beauty, but I've never actually tried one of their cosmetic products. And this is the Phyto Pigments Ultra Natural Mascara. And it is in black. So I'm actually really excited. I've never tried any other beauty products, and I'm always pumped to get a mascara. I like the sleek gunmetal packaging. And let's see what the brush looks like. There we go. It's kind of a shorter natural bristle. So I just opened a new mascara, I guess relatively recently, so I probably won't be getting to this anytime soon, but I am excited to get a mascara in the box. And I'm also excited that my bonus gift actually came in this box. They put a bonus gift in the beauty box for December, and I didn't actually get it. So I'm still trying to figure that out with the customer service. I'm waiting for them to get back to me, but I was just like, oh no, I want my bonus gift. Where is it? I'm glad I actually got it in this one. So excited about that. I think this is lovely. This is lovely. Excited about this. And I think this is a cool product to try. I hope it actually matches my brow tone, but I am nervous that it's going to be too dark. So overall, the winter beauty box or makeup box is fantastic. I think this was a really nice assortment, almost a full face assortment of products that are actually fun and exciting and interesting. So I'm very happy with the winter box. I can't wait to see what they put in the spring box. And yeah, I guess we'll have to wait a few months to find out. So if you enjoyed this video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. I will link to anything I'm wearing if I can find it or something similar. And otherwise, I will talk to you all later. Bye!